guys, welcome back to our channel. I've got a great recipe for you today, I think. I just got an air fryer and the recipes in here are pretty ridiculous. I mean, let's just peruse this for 1 second. We've got chicken tenders. For 6 chicken tenders, they want you to use 3 large eggs to hold the breading on. I think something might have been lost in the translation. But I did get inspired by their, well, the garlic knots are in there too, but that was my recipe for the garlic knots. You got your mac and cheese balls, and that also uses 3 eggs to keep the breading on. It's not even like in the ball. So we're not gonna use that.
Pick that up.
No, we're gonna do this like you guys would do it. So I got my Annie's organic vegan mac and cheese here. I'm going to make it according to the package directions. So I have my water boiling over here. I'm going to put it in. I'm going to cook it for 8 to 10 minutes. So when we come back, we'll make the sauce. Oh, there's still one in there. Little runaway. It's in the pot now. Alright, it's time to make the sauce. So I have the non-dairy milk in there, the non-dairy butter, just like the package directions say to do. I'm also going to add like a heaping tablespoon of flour because that's really going to hold it together. If you're gluten-free and you're doing this gluten-free with, you know, brown rice noodles or whatnot, either flour substitute or like arrowroot or cornstarch, something like that. We've also got the powder from the mix. Alright, so we're just going to get that mixed together.
Looking good.
Right. We're also going to add in some non-dairy cheese. Probably about 1/3 cup. This is also going to act like glue to hold it together. Alright, we're just going to drain our noodles, which are already cooked. Yeah, I got them all. And there we go. Mix thoroughly. Make sure everything is coated. You don't want any parts that are not coated, because nobody wants to eat an uncoated mac and cheese noodle. It's bland AF. Okay, that looks pretty good. You know what the next step is? Let's go into the sunken place in the refrigerator.
No!
It's gonna stay in there.
What is wrong with you?
It's gonna stay in there until it's completely cool, right? Yeah. Alright, it's cooled off. I would recommend doing this with overnight in the refrigerator macaroni. This might be a little bit of a problem for it to hold together. If you want to scoop it out like this and maybe put it on a baking tray, because it's going to be very delicate right now, and put it in the freezer maybe and let it harden up a little bit and then put the breadcrumbs on it, that would probably work really well too. I mean, it's not too bad right now.
I think it looks fine. You
can't be slamming it around though. I mean, you got to be very delicate with it because it's very delicate. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. Alright, see, it's like kind of loosey-goosey there.
You just got to be gentle.
No, see, now that's not going to work at all. You got to dig down deep into some of this that's already, you know, like super cooled. I think we just may have to partially freeze these for about 20 minutes to half an hour and check back. Alright, I'm desperate to make this work, so I'm I'm scooping these out on a plate that I'm going to pop in the freezer for about 20 minutes to half an hour, and then we'll take it out and, oh, it's just not working well. And once it's partially frozen, we'll roll it in the Panko breadcrumbs. By the way, that's Panko breadcrumbs. And we'll pop it in the air fryer. And we are having these tonight. So the freezer worked. We've got some mac and cheese nuggets going on here. These are a little too frozen now because they're not holding the breadcrumbs. Here's some that aren't quite as frozen. These will pick up more breadcrumbs than if they're over frozen. If you freeze it too long, just let it thaw out a little bit and it should be fine.
It's a real trial and error thing.
It's a trial by fire.
Trial by fryer!
Alright, so we're going to get the crumbs on all of these, and then we're going to get them in the fryer. And they're gonna be amazing. Here we go, mac and cheese. Here we go. Alright, so we got everything in the air fryer. I still have another plate and a half in the freezer, but we're gonna get these in there. And we're gonna go for 370 for 10 minutes. And they're gonna be amazing. Amazing. I can't stop eating these. They're so good. I got some that didn't fit in the dish over here. Just listen.
Ooh, crunchy.
Mmm.
That's a winner.
It is a winner.
Yes, wait. Focus. Oh, yeah.
Velvety.
Mm-hmm.
Smooth on the inside. Crispy, but not disgustingly oily on the outside.
Yeah. So good. New fave.
Great for a party. Great for hanging out, lunch, whatever. Just throw it to... You got leftover mac. Make that. Ow! 10 minutes in the thing.
The thing. In the spaceship.
Yeah, 10 minutes in the spaceship and you're all set. Guys, I know you want more air fry videos, but give it a thumbs up anyway. Subscribe for more general vegan videos. And until next time, much love.